Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable your Don't Distribute mode. To do this operation, go to your settings, search for notification, and here you have the Don't Distribute mode. It's gonna be mute all calls and other except of your custom expectation. Just tap on it, and as you see, you can get the settings. You can shell it of the day and time, allow the extension, exception, yep, alarm, media, touch, sound, calls, message, and more. And you can hide notification in this mode if you just want it. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!